here is the living space where you can set up your couch. Here is the kitchen space where you get an L-shaped granite platform. This is the master bedroom where you can set up your bed. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Anushri and in today's video we are doing a sample flat tour of Sahil iTrend Vista 2.0 which is located near JSPM College, Tathawade, Pune and developed by Sahil Properties. As you can see, I am at the actual location and behind me is the sales office. और sales office के आगे आप मिल जाता है मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे, जिसका लेफ्ट साइड कनेक्ट करता है वाकड़ को और राइट साइड कनेक्ट करता है पुनावले को. But before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly to the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, whereby if you do an inquiry, your number shared with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls, Housey connects you directly to the developers, which means transparent pricing, genuine information and hassle-free buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now let us discuss the project overview. This project is constructed on 3 acres of land parcel with 6 towers, which includes 2 basement plus ground plus podium plus 14 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am at the actual location and behind me is the sales office. और sales office के आगे मिल जाती है आपको मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे. This project is located near JSPM College, Tathawade, Pune. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है इंदिरा कॉलेज 1.3 किलोमीटर, फिनिक्स मॉल ऑफ मिलेनियम 2.9 किलोमीटर्स and DY Patil International University 4.3 kilometers. Now let us discuss the amenities of this project. This project has 30 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, multipurpose hall, party lawn, indoor games, stargazing lawn and many more. As you can see, I am standing right in front of the 2 BHK flat which has a carpet area of 801 square feet. Now this is the entrance of the flat. Here you get a video door phone and a digital door lock for the security purpose. As soon as you enter, you get an entrance lobby where you can customize it with the decorative items or you can set up a shoe rack. Now let's check out the living space. Now here is the living space where you can set up your couch and TV unit. You also get an attached balcony which has anti-skid tiles, tap-on glass railing and 3-side covering. Now let's check out the dining space. Here is the dining space where you can set up your dining table. Now let's check out the kitchen. Here is the kitchen space where you get an L-shaped granite platform with an attached sink. You also get an attached balcony where you can set up a washing machine and utilities. You also get an attached sink. You also get a space where you can set up your refrigerator. Now let's check out the first bedroom. Here is the first bedroom where you can set up your bed set. You also get an attached window for the natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You also get a space where you can set up your wardrobe setup. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey provides. Housey provides you with the sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment scheduling, and 360-degree location tour. All of this under just one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today. Now let's check out the master bedroom. Before that, you get a common washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now here is the entrance of your master bedroom. This is the master bedroom where you can set up your bed. You also get an attached balcony which has an anti-skid tiles, tap-on glass railing and 3-side covering. You also get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. You also get an attached washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of Sahil iTrend Vista 2.0, which is located near JSPM College, Tathavade, Pune and developed by Sahil Properties. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to the Houses YouTube channel and book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.